Here is another vintage German singing bird alarm clock that I just finished. It's identical in every respect to the other one, except for the background here is red instead of white. I fully serviced the clock and the singing bird mechanism, so everything works as it should. Really in wonderful vintage condition. You don't find these in working condition very often. So everything's wound, and I'm going to advance the alarm so you can hear what you would wake up to in the morning. The bird opens and closes her beak, flaps her tail, and flaps her wings. Strong singer. And there's a lever in back that you simply push down to turn the alarm off. It's this lever right here. See, that's go, and that's stop. In summary, a vintage singing bird alarm clock in working condition that's in wonderful vintage condition as well. Take care.